In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional looking newspaper layout using Google Docs. Whether you're working on a school project or just want to try your hand at designing, this guide will help you make a polished newspaper in a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up Google Docs. To do this, go to your web browser and type in Google Docs in the search bar. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll see an option to create a new document. Click on the blank document option, which will open a fresh canvas for you to start your newspaper design. Now that you have your blank document ready, the next step is to set up the page layout. This is where you can decide how your newspaper is going to look in terms of size and orientation. Navigate to the file menu at the top left corner of the screen and select Page Setup. Here, you can choose between a portrait or landscape orientation for your newspaper, depending on your design preference. Portrait mode works great for traditional newspapers, while landscape might be preferable for a modern touch. You can also adjust the margins. Narrow margins are ideal as they provide more space for text and images. Once you have your page orientation set, it's time to create a two-column layout, which is characteristic of most newspapers. Head over to the Format menu and select Columns, then choose the Two Columns option. This will split your text area into two columns, giving it that classic newspaper look. The two-column format helps enhance readability and gives a professional touch to your document. Moving on, we're going to add a newspaper title, also known as the header. Scroll to the top of your document and type in the name of your newspaper. It could be something like the Daily Times or whatever name you prefer. To make this title stand out, highlight the text and then make it bold. You'll want to increase the font size too to make it eye-catching. Around 36 points is perfect. Center align the title to give it a balanced and professional appearance right at the top of your page. If you want to add a bit more personality to your newspaper, consider inserting a logo or the date below your title. This is optional, but it can add to the authenticity of your design. A simple logo or date can be aligned with the title and might need some resizing to fit well within the header. Remember, creativity and clarity are key to an appealing newspaper design. This basic layout gives you a solid foundation to start with. From here, you can continue to fill in the content, add images, headlines, and more to complete your newspaper design. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy designing.